Carol's on top. You can give her a big wave. She can hear you right now, maybe, but she can see you. Give her a big wave, taking a bow. Yeah, we heard that woohoo from her. She can hear you. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, put your hands together for Carol Kahlon and the Third Strike Wing Walking Team. And if you think you're brave enough to do that, she'll be walking the show line along the way, signing some autographs. You can ask her all those good questions about how and why did you get going into this. It's a great story.